video, we're going to talk about the concept of seniority. And we're going to talk about this in terms of owning your crown, all right? And in earlier videos, we talked about owning your crown, setting your crown chakra to gold. And if you remember, there's a saying that I used. When you own your crown, you own your space, right? So that's seniority. You own your space. Now, to review, to own your crown, what you do is you set it to a color of your choice, all right? And it's not so much that you're setting it to a color, it's more that you're in a place of choosing, all right? And in that other video, I had you work with setting your crown chakra to gold. In this video, or in the next meditation actually, I'm going to have you play with different colors other than gold. And in the process, you're going to be practicing your seniority over your space. Okay? Now, again, what's seniority? It means that you, right? You are choosing how to set up your energy, where before, maybe things might have been more random, right? Like other energies were pretty much controlling your space. Does that make sense? So with you choosing and not some other energy, that's what we call seniority.